If your bread keeps you hungry, try adding this to the dough. Take your dough back and put some sunflower seeds on it. Now knead well for incorporating the seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and knead again for incorporating it. Now our dough is ready to rest. Form a ball and put it inside a bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap. And store it in a warm place with no airflow. Now let the bread rest for 3 to 12 hours. Put some flour on the table. And look how much our dough has risen. Put it on the table. And split it in 2 portions. Now push the dough to make it flat. Stretch it by pulling in 8 directions and wrap the dough around itself. Now form a ball and repeat the process with the other bread dough. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Again, some flour on the table. Put a sprinkle of flour on top of the dough ball. Flour also a rolling pin and roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. And roll it until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat and once hot, put a bread disc inside. After around 30 seconds, turn over the bread. Continue doing this for about 4 times. Once the bread is ready, wrap it around a towel to keep it warm. And repeat the process. Most people will never put the next ingredient in bread. Watch it in this video.